What's going on, guys? Ethereum whales are still not selling. I'll show this to you from a market cap perspective. And we're going to be going over some metrics today. The emotional index, the long versus short trades, very interesting things happening there. We'll talk about market cap strength. You cannot miss that. Trades in favor. Want to take a trade setup today? I'll show you which ones. Well, institutional smart money, very interesting. We need to talk about that. Support and resistance prices and dollar cost average entries, and then we'll get you guys into a trade setup. So a lot of fun stuff to talk about today. Guys, we have never lost a crypto trade ever. We are 122 wins for 0 losses. And I just actually came out and showed you guys the scalping strategy, which has yet to lose, and I revealed that to you guys of how literally traders have done 23,000 and 43,000 with the indicators and tools. So I just released that on YouTube. Go watch that. If I get a second, I'll try to throw that in the YouTube description on this video as well. Let's dive in. Let's go. Ethereum, the emotional index. I want to start over here for a second and kind of just dive into the metrics first, if that's okay. The emotional index is in the anxious section right here. Anxiousness in the market is where I love to see emotions for retail traders for the whales to eventually start pumping this back up. I'm going to kind of go back and forth today. I'm going to start with this. Long versus short trades. Here is something interesting right now. Short trades are continuing to climb on Ethereum, but long trades aren't doing anything. They are literally just staying exactly where they're at. So I think there's a tug of war right now. Either this is people that are not smart at all and they're coming out with short trades and they're just going to lose these shorts, which could actually just like springboard Ethereum back up here. And I'll give you guys that scenario. Or these guys know something we don't. Because here's why. Come down here to the market cap strength. The price of Ethereum is tanking right now. This is very obvious. We can all see this, okay? But we see the market cap strength over here actually staying the same and maybe arguably just a tad bit moving up here. This means whales and institutions are not at all selling their Ethereum. It actually means if it goes up here that people are selling their other altcoins and they're buying Ethereum. Okay, that is very interesting. Now watch this. We're going to move into the technical side, and then I'll go back over to those charts. But watch this here. We're in a descending, what you can call a descending broadening wedge pattern. Okay, I want to redraw this so you guys can all watch this with me. So I want you guys to do this if you're watching me on here and you're taking all these trades with us. This is the new line we need to be watching for right here. Okay, retail traders this morning when they're waking up, majority of their indicators, are they bearish or bullish? Definitely bearish. We can see that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bearish signals out of 6. So I think a lot of retail traders are going to be looking for this to come back down to the descending support line, which is going to put us right about this area of $2,700. Okay, now let's take into account this. The price risk whale money flow and trend exhaustion. You guys know when this gets to the top red section and whale money flow is high, this is where you need to be watching for the reversals back down in the market. When it's low in the bottom red section and whale money flows low, that's where you look for the move back up. Here's where we're sitting right now though. We are neutral on both. So here's the next setup for you guys. This weekend, if we start moving back down here, this is going to be a great place to look to take a scalping long trade entry. And again, I just came out with the scalping masterclass today so you guys can see it on YouTube, okay? When this is in the bottom red section right here, for those of you guys who want to get money in, the moment that hits there, the whale money flow is going to be dropping down as well. If you're anywhere close to this area, right about this 2,700, that is a great place to look to get into the market for 3 to 4% profit. You must have these two indicators to trade our scalping strategy, and it's never lost. Watch that video, guys. I'm talking about a lot today because I literally showed you guys a trade setup. If you're watching this video right now, I showed you the best trade setup to take, and you guys can take that with me and make money on it if you would like. Pretty awesome. Let's play this out for a second and we'll go back over the metrics. Take a look at this. I want to show this to you guys because I haven't seen this covered at all yet. If you go to the S&P 500, the SPY, I want everyone to go to the 1 hour time frame. Does this pattern look familiar to anybody? Maybe like a reverse head and shoulders pattern that is one of the most bullish patterns ever in crypto stocks and Forex. This thing, guys, can absolutely be getting ready to explode in the next few days. I'm serious. Like, this is the setup right here for an explosion. So you guys may be thinking, all right, the market's going to go down, market's going down. I think the whales know that. I think they're looking at it. And I think that's why we're looking over here. Let me get this back to the 4 hour. You come back over here to the charts on the metrics. This is why I don't believe anyone's selling. They're holding their positions right here. Coming down here, trades in favor. It's absolutely a great day, a great Friday to take a good long trade. Okay, coming down here, Wells Institutional Smart Money. Majority of the time, they've been acquiring long trades. It is just recently where we've seen just a little bit of indecision. But if I'm going to make a call on this, hands down, we're looking at Wells Institutions to acquire this dip. I'm telling you guys, it's when the market is fearful and anxious. This is where the Wells buy and they're starting to jump the price back up. Watch these metrics, trade with them. You will be a better trader with this. Support resistance prices. The next resistance is 3,581. The next strongest support, 2,445. So be watching that. Down here, dollar cost average entries. If you guys have put money into this metric, $1,000 at each line, your break-even entry has got to be like probably right down here. It's pretty ridiculous. Once you guys are holding this for the long term, the money is going to be pretty insane. So watch that. Let me show you guys now how to get into a trade setup because this is a very important time to get in. I want to keep this private for our members, but watch this. I'm going to show this to you on Bitcoin so you guys can follow me here. Go to the Bitcoin chart, scroll all the way down, and watch this. I'm going to mock this up for you guys so you can see this. I will cover Bitcoin later today. Here is why I believe it's a really good time to get into Ethereum. In this indecision moment right now, you guys are able to get in and take advantage if this market explodes due to the S&P 500 reversal head and shoulders pattern, as well as if this actually is true and short trades are that aggressive on Bitfinex, and if short trades don't get their way, and this comes back up here above structure high, which would then put us above the descending resistance, guys, those short trades are going to be in a loss. They're going to be forced to go long to make back up their profits, or what we technically call covering their loss. That is going to push the market up because people are going to be going long. Short traders are going to go long at the same time. So here's how you guys trade this and get into a long trade today with extremely good risk management, and it will be very, very hard for you guys to lose. Here's what you guys are going to do. I'm going to show it to you on Bitcoin. These are updated as of 4/29, and today is 4/29. Choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say it's 1,000 buckaroogos, okay? Take that, divide it by 4, 250. Place 250 at each of the yellow lines. Bang, right there. Easy enough to see. And then set up a settlement for a 100% exit at the green line. Once you guys do this, you have that set up, follow me in Telegram. I will call all of the exits for you guys with our indicators. And this is literally how we have never lost a trade, and we are 122 wins in a row that we have won. And we also have one of the healthiest, and actually the healthiest account I can find right now, which is down probably about 16% right now. 150,000 is break even, and most accounts are down still. We're pushing guys, literally 56 to 60+% down on normal accounts. We're down about, I think we're down, if you do the math here, about 16.5%, maybe 17. We are incredibly healthy. This means that everybody who's trading with us, you guys will be back in the profit a whole lot faster. And we will, mark these words, guys, we will be making tens of thousands of dollars of profit before a majority of everybody in the world trading crypto, because we use such good risk management. And we did this. We took our money and we did not FOMO in. We spread it into 4 buy limits. You guys are going to have the best risk management out of all your friends and family. Guarantee you, if you guys use this, because there is no guarantee this market's going to head right back up. Do you guys see the massive bear flag that is sitting on Bitcoin right now? Do you guys see this? This is a bearish formation. This is a bear flag. Descending with a ascending channel. A descending impulse with an ascending channel is a bear sign. This actually breaks to the downside, I would say about 75% of the time. Okay, so watch this. This could actually start breaking back down to structures down here. I'm doing this on this chart because look, if it comes down to support, you guys are going to get picked up. If it comes down to another support, you guys are going to get picked up. This is how you must be trading. Forget the pump boys and moon boys, guys. It's just here today, gone tomorrow. You're going to lose your money. This is how we keep it safe in a bear market, and how we literally be doing tens of thousands while other people are still holding in a loss. This is how you trade with us. It's $95 a month. That is it. All the metrics to spy on Wells Institutions, here you guys go. The Telegram channel, all of the entries, and all of the exits I will call out for you guys. If you just want to copy me, please do so. You guys can look at the testimonials of people making tens of thousands of dollars using this strategy and our indicators. Masterclasses are all yours. The community chat where we're looking at trade setups together. You guys can join a community over here and we all talk together about the markets. And then in May, I believe it's May 14th, I'm going to be going live on Zoom from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for all of our members. You guys can access that here. Last but not least, guys, let's end this. Let's get you guys into some trades here, but you need to get the indicators. They are 82% off today. Make sure you snag this. These are the 3 that you guys want. With the bundle pack, you get all 9. So you can use coupon code Save Money at checkout. You'll get 40% off these 3, or use coupon code Save Money. You'll get 60% off the other 6. But use the bundle pack link right here, guys, and you'll get 82% off all of this. This bundle pack, guys, will also give you all the indicators you need for the scalping masterclass that I just came out with and showed you guys. I will do this. I'll link this in the description of this video so you guys can watch it, okay? Just so you guys can have easy access to it. But make sure you guys have the indicators and the membership, and we got this, guys. Watch this. I'm not nervous at all on this trade. This is exactly the trade that we are in right now, fully transparent. I have money in this trade with you guys. We are currently sitting right now. We have hit the third buy limit. We still have our fourth buy limit down here in case we crash. So what I'm watching for is that S&P 500 to springboard us back up with that reverse head and shoulders pattern. And once we start getting back up here, we're going to be taking profit right around this area. Rinse and repeat, and we're just going to keep doing that. Guys, I'll end this with this. The next trades we're going to win are going to be Luna, so watch out for that call on the Telegram channel. And then it's going to be Sheeb. Those are the next two trades we're going to be winning next. I'll call out the entries of where I'm entering in with those trades, and then I'll call out the exits, and that is literally how we've done 122 wins in a row and have the healthiest account in a bear market cycle. We are going to be targeting in the month of May 130 for 130 wins. And if more, we can hit 140, great, we'll do that. But that is how you guys trade with us, and this is how you guys stay confident in the markets. God bless you guys. Have an amazing weekend. I will do a Bitcoin roundup video later, and I'll see you guys later. Links to everything you need are in the description. Snag those guys and start making some profits, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.